Naruto, I've really enjoyed my time together with you.
Yeah, me too. I really enjoyed it, you know? How about we stay together in the afterlife as well, okay?
Listen, Naruto, I think you've got the wrong idea. Just to be clear, I never said you were going to die.
Hold on a second. What does this mean? What are you saying?
The price for obtaining that power was my life, not yours, Naruto. I've got to go, but you be careful. You won't have me to help you out either.
Hey, please wait! Don't go!
This is it, Naruto.